Kim Chiu opisyal na ipinakilala bilang brand ambassador ng Oro China sa kanilang fashion show.
Ikaw nga ba?
Matapos ang pagbubukas ng Oro China Jewelry at ribbon cutting sa Cebu, ay opisyal naman itong ipinakilala ngayong gabi, bilang bagong muka at ambassador ng Oro China Jewelry. Bongga rin ang naging pagpapakilala sa kanya dahil nagkaroon din ng fashion show, kung saan ay inirampa din ng iba pang mga models ang naggegandahan design ng Oro. Kasama rin ni Kim ngayon sila Ate Lakam.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up once again for the Chinika Princess. It's Kim Chiu, everybody.
And puso. So you see, Kim Chiu is just like us here in Oro China, and just like what we uphold our core values as Oro China group of companies.
Sincere, genuine, definitely Kim reflects the brand. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up once again for Kim Chiu and Miss Jennifer. Again, Kim, welcome to the family. Welcome to Oro China family. Thank you so much, and the ladies here. Thank you so much, Miss Jen, for bringing Kim Chiu here tonight and for bringing her into the brand. Now we have Kim seated here in front and he's to enjoy the rest of the program. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all watch this.
It felt like her family. She's just genuinely sincere, just like